Guys, I just ran out of my fave Kylie Skin Rose Bath Salts. Here's how you can DIY your own. 1 cup of dead sea salt, 1 cup of pink sea salt, some pink dried rose petals, and 7 ml of rose fragrance oil. And Kylie Scrub also has a gorgeous iridescent sparkling pearl shimmer to it. So we're going to add some pearl coloured environmentally friendly mica to ours to give it that glow. And there you have it, the perfect recipe to de-stress after a long day.
Do you have blackheads, small bumps, uneven skin tone, or oily skin? I've got a 1-ingredient mask that will transform your skin in less than 30 minutes. All you're gonna need is 1 egg. First, separate the egg white and the egg yolk. Then beat the egg white until it's nice and frothy. Once you see these white bubbles, it's ready. Apply the bubbles on a clean face and wait for it to dry. Egg whites help oily skin, brighten your skin, tighten your skin, combat blackheads, and diminish pores. Once it's dry, rinse it off, and then apply the egg yolk. Egg yolk is actually a natural moisturizer. I prick it open, apply it all over my face, and once it's dry, I rinse it off and like to retighten my pores with a quick ice facial. I do this once a week, and it's amazing.
My DIY hair growth oil recipe.
It's a really simple recipe and it contains 2 ingredients, black cumin seed oil and rosemary essential oil, which have been shown in studies to help with hair loss and hair growth. I like to use it once a week as an all-over hair oil mask. I can't say if it's working yet because it's only been 1 month, but so far my hair feels really nice, thick, hydrated, and I haven't lost any hair from postpartum yet.
DIY unicorn body butter. We're gonna try this out. So this is the cocoa butter. I grabbed a plate because it was crumbly. This is a little bit harder, and I did approximately a cup of this, put it into a glass bowl because we are gonna have to melt it. I added the mango butter as well. This was softer, kind of reminds me of like a soft cheese, and again it was about a cup of that. Now in a mixing bowl I added a cup of mango butter and oil. This is called a cold whip body butter. It's another recipe I found, so it's a different kind. Basically you just take the oil, the mango butter, mash it together and mix it. I didn't get it mashed very well and just figured I'd try to whip it because I didn't know if it was going to work. I was pretty skeptical, but it started to do pretty well. So as I was whipping, I started melting the other one down, and this turned out pretty good. So you don't have to refrigerate it, but I'm refrigerating it for about an hour because I'm going to whip it one more time. And then I added the oil to this, and it's going to be whipped soon.
Kids, it's me, your rich mom. Today I'm going to share with you guys a little secret recipe of mine that I learned from my mom, also your grandma. It is a DIY face mask / scrub. It is the most moisturizing. It will leave your skin glowing and you guys are going to love it. And it's super easy. So all you're going to need is half a banana, honey, and some milk. Coffee scrubs are optional. Get your banana and pour 2 tablespoons of milk. Now get your honey and pour about half a tablespoon. You could either stop there, or this is optional. You could add coffee scrubs, which is really great for oily skin like mine. I know guys, it's not the prettiest of masks, but leave it on for 20-30 minutes. Your skin will be glowing and super moisturized. And you can thank me later.
I don't buy deodorant anymore because I make my own. Here's my 5 ingredients natural deodorant recipe. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unrefined shea butter, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Melt these together and then add 3 tablespoons of arrowroot powder or cornstarch and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix really well until there are no clumps left. And then add up to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix well and then pour into a tin. This recipe makes about 50 grams. Put in the freezer for about an hour to solidify, and you're left with this super creamy, all-natural deodorant, which will keep you dry and moisturized. Do you also DIY your own deodorant? Let me know in the comments below.
I just do, because I feel better. If I feel better, I'm nicer. If I'm nicer, my life goes better. Because if I'm nicer, then you're going to be nicer to me. And if I'm nice, everything runs smoothly.